In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva's bulk creation feature to save time and automate repetitive tasks. Start by opening Canva and head to the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on Apps, then use the search bar to type Bulk Create. Select it from the options that appear. Next, click Upload Data. Here, you can either import a spreadsheet or enter data manually. For example, type in your titles, names, or phrases you want to apply across multiple designs, then hit Done to save. Now, go back to your design. Select the text box you want to connect, click the three dots menu, and choose Connect Data. Pick the dataset you just added. Finally, click Continue and then Generate. Canva will instantly create multiple versions of your design using the data you provided. And that's it. With bulk creation, you can speed up campaigns, social media posts, or any project that needs multiple variations, saving you time and effort. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tips.